delayed. Yeah, I'm very excited.
That we are here in Tahiti. That was the best flight. This was Air Tahiti Nui. We did premium economy. The seats were big. They reclined. They had like a footrest. I actually slept the entire flight almost, or most of it. Yeah. They fed us twice.
Yeah, there was a meal right when you got on.
Yeah.
It was like a light meal, they called it. And then after that, there was a breakfast. But we definitely slept. I slept for at least 5 hours.
I never sleep on planes, and that was so comfortable. Blanket, pillows, they give you everything. It was nice.
Stuff. Toothbrush in the morning.
Yep,
so you can get yourself
perfect.
Clean.
Little eye patch.
Refreshing towel that you didn't get to use because you weren't paying attention. So it was good.
Yeah, but we're here in the airport waiting for our pickup, but we're excited to get this started. But that was awesome. I'm glad to be here, and we're just going to take you along on the journey so you can see everything that we do. Tahiti, Moorea, and Bora Bora.
Woo! Man, time flies.
I know.
Feel like we just got to Tahiti.
We did, but we're on our way
to
Moorea,
which is right above us. We're gonna get on one of these ferries and head over. It should be exciting. Are you excited to go?
Yes, I'm excited because it's when all the fun starts, all the magical parts of this trip. So we're very excited. Can't wait to take you along. Welcome to our beautiful garden pool suite. My hubby surprised me with this beautiful headdress. It's a crown of flowers, amazing, and an exotic fruit bowl. And we have our own little private pool and these lounge chairs, and we're actually right next to the ocean. We can hear the waves. It's absolutely gorgeous. Love it. And the pool, I mean, the bed is nice, and there's an open bathroom. I mean, we just can't beat it. So we'll show you around later, but for now, it's time to relax. Ready to go?
Ready to go.
All
We
right.
are on our way to get something to eat. Why? Because you got to eat when you're at these beautiful places.
Right.
Here in Moorea, they have a variety of fresh local food, and we're hoping that the hotel has something delightful for us. I'm going to get as many entrees as I can so you can see the differences on the preparation and the taste, and it will tell you what the best options are.
I hope they have vegetarian.
All right, the food is here. Oh my goodness, a feast.
Oh my
What do we
gosh.
have on your side?
I have a veggie burger. No idea what it's made with. Guessing it's lentils. That's what it looks like. With a salad and French fries, and then my favorite thing, pizza.
And what does we have here?
David decided to get a steak, but he was nice enough to get the lentil steak, so I could try it.
So that means all the food right here for you vegetarians, you vegans out there, there is amazing options for you. Obviously, if you're vegan, you can't get the cheese on the pizza.
I'm not vegan today.
But otherwise, this is a great option. Now,
what'd you get?
For you pescatarians or folks that don't really have any rules at all, I have the blue tuna fish steak here. Also has a vanilla sauce. The lentil steak has a pineapple sauce. You have your pizza and the burgers. And it's so excited to eat all this delicious food, so it's going to be really delicious. So we're going to let you know how it goes and what the best items are.
We have some audience going in the back. I love it, buddy. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right,
let's go ahead and do it.
We're about to take off. ATV tour. Hey! Hey, we're on our way. This should be fun.
Should be a good time.
right, special treat here. Coconuts.
Fresh.
Oh my gosh, that looks amazing.
Oh,
okay. If you finish drinking, we get to
very
eat the meat.
cool. So you want to take a first
I was
swig?
gonna say, how do you like?
Just
Oh my god, it's so fresh.
delicious. Only Moorea.
Yeah.
Right. What a beautiful sky and sunset here in Moorea. Oh my gosh, this is the things that you try to Photoshop in, things that you've seen online, but we're actually here and it is
looks like
amazing.
it's on fire. It's so pretty. And this is our view for dinner tonight. It's our last night here in Moorea before we head off to Bora Bora. So we're gonna enjoy some crepes and some sharks.
Why are
How does that
crepes
go?
important?
How does that go hand
tonight?
in hand?
Why are crepes important?
I don't know.
It was our very first date.
It was.
We had
They were
crepes.
creperie.
So we're about to enjoy these and have the memories that we did when we first
I
met.
know, but look at that sunset.
So beautiful. Look at this. That wasn't listed on the menu.
Yes, it was.
Asterisk at the end.
Thank you. Marubu.
Cheers to 10 years. Whew. That was an amazing time that we had here in Moorea. What was your favorite part of the trip so far?
Well, I just liked all of it. I mean, it's very relaxing. The Hilton Moorea is gorgeous, but usually we have really fun activity-filled trips, and this was just more chill. Nap time, resting. We did do an ATV tour, which was super fun.
Oh, and that was my favorite for sure.
Right? But we decided to just keep it low-key most of the days, so it was nice, very relaxing. But we're excited to move on to Bora Bora. So
Yeah.
this was beautiful. We would definitely recommend Moorea. So make sure you check out Tahiti, Moorea, and Bora Bora. So yes, I'm excited.
So make sure that you subscribe so you
Yes.
don't miss any of our videos. Leave a thumbs up if you liked what you saw, and drop a comment of a place that maybe you went or you would love to see if you came to the French Polynesia.
Or your favorite part of this video.
Oh, that would be great also. All right, guys. See you later. TD Life.